So people ask me, aren't you worried about creating all this competition for yourself, teaching people about, your businesses, your notary business, drop shipping business, and about the medical commodity business? No one's supposed to know about that. Aren't you worried about the competition that you're creating? And the truth is that no, I'm not. And the simplest reason, I can give you a lot of reasons why, but the simplest reason why I'm not worried about competition is because most people won't do the work. End of story. It's as simple as that. I've been coaching people for years, and I've coached hundreds of people one on one to lose weight, and helped a lot of people to lose weight. But very few people will maintain the results long term. And it's the same thing. I've coached many people in business as well, and it's the same thing. Very few people, people can get results in the short term, but very few people will put in the work to maintain their results and continue to grow their business through all the trials and tribulations, month after month, year after year. Most people just simply won't do the work. Anybody can get phantom results in the beginning with anything, whether it's weight loss or a business, by just being excited and ignorance on fire, and you're just taking massive action. But what happens all of a sudden? You run into your first couple of roadblocks in the first couple months is that most people fold up shop and go to the next flashy objects, just that's going by, flashy object syndrome. It's got, as soon as it loses that drug of excitement that you're not, maybe this just isn't for me, and people are addicted to chasing this chemical drug of being excited when and really what they're doing is avoiding the drudgery of long-term consistent work. It's like the saying goes, most people miss opportunity because it's dressed in overalls and looks like work. So I've learned that I can show people exactly what to do, how to, grow their step verbatim, how to build a successful six-figure notary business. And I know that the majority of people won't follow through and do it. In any business that I teach people, I know that, there's a certain percentage of people that will take action and they'll get minimal results. And then there's some people who will take a little bit more results. But very few people will not only take results, but continue to build a massive, thriving business that could actually potentially become something that would be, resemble as competition. And I mean, I'm talking like 1 out of a million. It's it's a super small percentage of people. Obviously there are people like that, but the number is really small. I don't know, like 1 out of 100,000 or something, but it's very small. The percentage of people that'll actually truly do the work. In life, most people don't achieve success in anything, whether it's drop shipping or anything, just because very few people will do the work and be consistent at doing it. Even when it's lost its appeal, and just when it turns into just the everyday grind. So that's why I'm not worried about competition, and why you shouldn't be either. I've never been the smartest at anything or the quickest, but the reason why I beat out a lot of my competition is just because everything I go into, I treat it like a marathon, not a quick sprint, and I just keep going like the turtle, and I surpass a lot of the flashing bunnies on the side of the roads because they're busy on to the next flashy object syndrome, while I'm just keeping on trucking. So you can beat out a lot of the competition by not being the most intelligent. You don't even have to really know what you're doing, but if you're just more consistent than everybody else and doing good work, you'll slowly get better, and you'll slowly see the bodies of your competition drift down the river. It comes from some old quote. I can't remember exactly how it is, but it's eventually something like, if you stand by the side of the river long enough, eventually you'll see the bodies of your competition roll by. Correct me, those of you, if you know what the actual quote is, post it below, because I probably totally butchered that. But anyways, guys, just a short message, somewhat inspirational message, that you can achieve anything you want in life, but you just gotta be willing to do the work. And that's the ultimate reason why most people, that's the big secret between people that are successful and that aren't successful in life, is that it comes out to getting things done. GTD, getting things done, and that comes from doing the work. So hope you're all having a great day, and until next time, let's make it a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. See ya.